Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox game. First, download Roblox Studio, the free creation tool. Once installed, open it and familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll see the workspace where your game world exists and the Explorer window, which lists all objects in your game. This is your primary environment for building. Now, let's start building. Use the Part tool to add basic shapes like blocks and spheres to your game. You can then use the Move, Scale, and Rotate tools to position, resize, and orient these parts. Combine multiple parts and group them together to construct more intricate objects and environments for your players. To make your game interactive, you'll use scripting. Roblox uses the Lua programming language. You can attach scripts to objects to define their behavior, like making a door open or a button trigger an action. Learning basic events and functions will allow you to bring your game to life with dynamic elements and player interactions. Before sharing, thoroughly test your game within Roblox Studio using the play button. This helps you find and fix any bugs or issues. Once satisfied, adjust your game settings and permissions, then publish it to the Roblox platform. Now, other players can discover and enjoy the game you've created.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.